What's up, y'all? This your girl GOLDMOUTH coming at you guys just to give y'all an update on the burritos that I cooked. Okay, so y'all remember I wrapped these up in aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. I know somebody gonna try to correct me. And they look like they look like that. I said I was gonna have my leftovers, but they solid. I already washed my hands. Oh, okay. I thought they was gonna stick together, y'all. I thought that's what they was gonna do, but they didn't stick together. They stayed separated. So I'm just showing you guys that you can freeze those burritos. Like, that's a good idea. You know, freeze the burritos, and I can make up a whole bunch of them, and like freeze them individually, or like in two, so Scooby can have something to eat, or my husband can have something to eat, or whoever. No, just them two can have something to eat, and me. What, babe?
I ain't saying nothing.
What you looking at? You ain't getting down.
Everybody else looking, I'm looking too.
Everybody ain't looking at me.
It is.
Well, not in real life, not yet.
I'm looking.
Well, you making me nervous. I'm used to being by myself. Get in the room. Babe. Okay. You so rude. So I'm gonna I don't know if I should microwave these. I don't want them to be crunchy. So I think the oven gonna make these burritos crunchy. So I'm gonna put mine in the microwave for a little bit. I probably put one in the oven just to see what it'll do. If it come out, I'm gonna try not to let it come out too hard, because I don't like a crunchy burrito. I like mine to be soft. So we gonna see, y'all. Put one in the microwave and one in the I don't want to put two in the oven. I'm gonna put one in the oven and then I'm gonna do one in the microwave. So whichever one come out good, that's the one I'm gonna do. Probably pop it in the microwave, sound better, but I don't know. I'll let y'all know in a second. Microwave. Where's my oh, I'm gonna just use this little foil right here and put it in the oven like this. Leftover foil, because I ain't finna dirt up no more dishes, girl. Hey, washing dishes. The oven already on 350 degrees. Oh, I had turned it back off. Let me start it back up. It was on 350 degrees. And I'm going to let that stay in there for like, it's frozen solid. So I think the directions on a regular burrito is like 10 minutes. I'm going to check it in 5 minutes. And the one in the microwave, I ain't going to do it yet, because I know the microwave is going to probably take like a minute and a half or 2 minutes. So I'm going to let the other one do the little 10 minutes first, and then we're going to compare them side by side to see how they turn out. So you, I don't know what the hell I was going to say, child. But anyways, if I get excited about this thing, I can make like a whole big old buffet of burritos. And then I could freeze them, and we could make our own like little microwave popping things for Scooby, like after school and stuff. That'd be a great idea, instead of, because he like burritos like out of Walmart and stuff, but you never know what's in them things, you know, because it be all kind of mushy meat and beans and stuff in there, and I can make healthy burritos. Look, I think I'm getting excited too fast. So we gonna see how they taste first, child, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know, okay? So you might want to do this for your kids or your man or yourself or whoever, child. Stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all see. Y'all, I think I'm gonna need some microwave burrito lessons, because I got these burritos here, but you can't put foil in the microwave. And can you put a burrito in the microwave without it being in that plastic? Because when you buy burritos from the store, they always come in this little plastic wrap. You just open the end and put it in the microwave. You know, so I'm trying to figure out how a good way to microwave my burrito without the plastic. So do I just put it on a plate or what? I don't know. Let me see what I got in the cabinet over here, girl. Y'all can see me? Hold on. I guess I'm gonna just put it in my old faithful plate here, and put it on my plate like that, and put it in the microwave and see what happens. First, I'm gonna check on this one in the oven first. Check on this one. Ooh, it's getting soft. It ain't done. It's getting there. I thought it was gonna get crunchy, but it's still soft. Yeah. I'm gonna put it back in there. It's getting there. It feel like it's thawing out. That's what it feel like. I'm gonna let that stay in the oven a little bit longer. I know I said it take about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on a timer. I'm gonna put 6 minutes on it because I can't get it enough about 4 minutes. So in 6 minutes, we'll check it. Hopefully it don't get too cooked. It's already done. And I'll put this one in the microwave. When this time over here get to 4 minutes, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I'll put this on 1 minute because I think 1 minute will do for this burrito, but hopefully it won't be like too long for it. And it froze pretty good too. I wonder how long they'll last in the refrigerator, y'all. How long y'all think they'll last in the refrigerator? Because I know like the burritos at Walmart and stuff, they got like an expiration date of like 5 days, I believe. So 5 to 7 days, I believe. But if you freeze them, don't the expiration date like expands, like goes further because they frozen? Child, I don't know, because when you buy them at Walmart in on the market side section, they don't be frozen, they be like refrigerated. But then if you go by and down in like the pizza aisle and stuff, they got some frozen solid burritos that last longer. So I think if you freeze them solid, it'll last longer. So I'm gonna get me some little quart size freezer bags, because I ain't got none. I got some gallon size. That's if I still got them. I probably done ran out. Yeah, I done ran out. All I got is these little sandwich bags. I don't even, do they even sell sandwich? Let me see. If I can get some freezer size sandwich bags, and I can fit at least 3 in a freezer size sandwich bag. Do they make freezer size sandwich bags? I don't know. I think I have to get the quart size shot. Look, I'm just rambling on this video because I felt like y'all wanted to talk to me today and look at how cute I was, because I'm cute. Yeah, so anyway, let me I got like 2 minutes left, and I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes so y'all can see what this microwave burrito is going. You know, I'm gonna do the side-by-side comparison, okay? Okay, y'all, so I got this one right here out of the oven, and this one out of the microwave. This one took 55 seconds in the microwave, because I put it on a minute, and then it had like 5 seconds left, and I opened the microwave just to check because I didn't want it to overdo. And it is hot. It's smoking hot. I don't know if y'all can see that smoke, but it's smoking hot. Y'all, child, whatever. This one was in the oven for 10 whole minutes, and my oven was already preheated, and it's still cold inside. So I already know that's gonna be X'd out for Scooby, because he ain't finna. No, he not. So if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna have to use it for the microwave, because waiting a minute versus waiting 10 minutes and this joke is still cold, it ain't going down like that. And I ain't got that much patience myself either, but I'm gonna taste it to see. You know, it's not as firm. I think the oven, no, eventually the oven ones, yeah. As far as the shell, it started to get crispy on the end. It did. It started to get crispy on the end. Real. Yeah, that was just that bite. The second bite pretty good. Okay. I think it's pretty good. What you looking at? You want a bite? No. Maybe if I would have had a little bit more patience and waited in the oven for the oven, I would like the other one better, because it's, I don't know. Babe, you usually do a taste test.
What?
Taste one in the microwave, taste one in the oven.
I'm alright.
Oh. You don't want to taste?
I'm alright.
Because my husband don't want to enjoy the fun with me.
I already ate.
You just ate?
Yeah.
What you ate?
The wing. Right here.
Them thing was hot, wasn't it? Oh no. Oh, y'all, I'm finna finish this one in the oven, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all because the other one kind of good now. I don't like the sogginess of the one in the microwave, but it's good once you wait. But hold on. Okay, y'all. So I got my results in. The results are in. As you can see, I'm about done with this burrito. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a talk through because the one in the microwave I had ate it, girl. What happened was I was hungry, so I went on ahead and ate that one. Okay, so the one in the microwave, I didn't like it. It was okay, but it was too soggy, and I couldn't figure out how to get it like not crispy, but not crispy. I don't know, but at the end of the day, it was too soggy. So I'd rather have mine in the oven. I finished this one off. This is the first one I put in the oven. As you can see, I'm eating it. I went ahead and ate that one because I was hungry. I couldn't wait, y'all. I ate the microwave one. It was alright, but it wasn't, you know, it was just alright. But the one in the oven, it did get crunchy, but not crunchy. You know, it got little crispy ends on it and stuff, but not crispy to like the point that it was like Doritos, like potato chip or something. So it's crispy and it's soft on the inside. So it's like the excellent combination. So I will be doing these some more. I'm glad I actually put it in the oven because my first thought was just warm them up in the microwave, but the microwave ain't gonna cut it for these. It ain't gonna cut it for these. I'm gonna end up having to wrap them up in foil and put them in the oven. I don't think they'll work as good with just like without the foil on them. I don't know how they'll turn out with just like putting them in the pan and put them in the oven without the foil on them. I think the foil will help it from getting as crunchy as it would. I believe so. So I think the foil method is well, I know the foil method is the one that I like the best. So I was just coming to you guys to let you guys know that you can cook a bunch of these burritos and freeze them and put them in the oven, you know, for later meals or something like that. You know, you can do a meal prep with them. So it came out good. I'm excited about it because I'm going to make up me a batch of them and I'm going to freeze them, and then I will have me some already prepared burritos for when I don't feel like cooking or nothing, you know, just want to pop something in the oven real quick. But now I do know I got to wait. The downside of putting something in the oven is you got to wait a little bit longer. You got to have a little bit more patience, which is something I wasn't blessed with to have, you know. I don't got like that. So I'm going to be putting mine in the oven because it tastes better. I'd rather wait if it's going to taste better because I want my food to at least taste good when I eat it, okay? So the oven method is the best method, okay? I still got some in the oven now, but boy, you be coming out of the room like a fly. Just to be nosy. Ooh, that's my husband, y'all. He's so nosy. You want a burrito? Why you keep watching me? I'm gonna be look cute today.
I'm just looking.
I'm gonna be look sexy. That was sexy. That was? What about that? That was sexy?
It was alright.
Oh, okay. That time?
You better eat that. I ain't good.
Oh, ain't nobody tell you to come here, you know? Okay, y'all. I prefer my burritos in the oven. I'm gonna take these out and see if they. Ah! Bang! You ain't shit. Ooh! Perfect timing too. You ain't shit. So I got these two fresh out the oven, and they're not too hard, which is I'm glad about that because I was scared they was gonna be like crunchy. I really was. So I'm gonna let these. They're actually done. They done. I'm gonna sit down and get me my little ranch dip what I was dipping the other day, and I'm gonna eat these. They good. We good. We good. I'm gonna let them sit so they can cool off. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see that. I'm gonna let them sit so they can cool off. I'm finna go ahead and grab with my leftovers. Even though I done ate two already. See? All this extraness all up in here. Girl. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope y'all go out and cook y'all y'all family, children, and husband and them, and mama and them things, and all of that, some burritos. Freeze them up for later. They put them in the oven, wrapped up in foil, okay? Don't forget that part, okay? So anyways, y'all, that's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all. Why am I dancing? And I will holler at y'all later.